Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Brother CS6000i sewing machine. This machine is lightweight, very user-friendly, plus comes with a generous amount of feet and accessories. This user-friendly and portable sewing and quilting machine offers a wide range of quilting and sewing features at an affordable price. The CS6000i features 60 built-in sewing stitches, including decorative stitches and 7 styles of one-step buttonholes. There are 9 presser feet included in this machine, that is buttonhole, overcasting, monogramming, zipper, zigzag, blind stick, button fitting, walking, and spring action quilting foot. This machine also includes a detachable wide table that is perfect for larger quilting projects. The Brother CS6000i sewing machine has been engineered for ease of use. Our second best portable sewing machine is Brother XM2701 sewing machine. This Brother machine is perfect for multiple everyday sewing projects. Featuring a full range of user-friendly features and a lightweight design, the Brother XM2701 is perfect for beginners who are learning to sew and more advanced sewers who are looking for versatility. The Brother XM2701 sewing machine offers 27 built-in stitches, including blind hem, decorative, and quilting stitches with an automatic one-step buttonholer for virtually perfect buttonholes. The XM2701 has been engineered for easy use, featuring 6 quick change sewing feet, including buttonhole, zipper, zigzag, narrow hemmer, blind stitch, and button sewing feet. Users will enjoy the ease of sewing cuffs, sleeves, and pant legs with the built-in free arm. Designed for a broad range of users, the XM2701 also comes with a built-in easy needle threader, a jam-resistant quickset top drop-in bobbin, and an automatic bobbin winding system. Let's watch more.
Start sewing right away with the easy-to-use Brother XM2701. It's perfect for beginners or for more advanced sewers looking for a great portable machine. The 27 built-in stitches include stitches for everyday sewing, blind hems, quilting, and decorative stitches. Selecting your stitch is as easy as turning a dial, and the one-step buttonhole is automatically sized to fit your buttons. You also get 6 quick change sewing feet, a tremendous value. It's incredibly easy to change between feet. With just a touch of a lever, your needle is threaded for you. With the quick set, top drop-in bobbin, there's no need to pull the thread up before use. And it's easy to see when you're low on thread. The LEDs give you a super bright work area to see details. Plus, you'll love how easy the instructions are to follow. Enjoy all the great built-in features, including accessories and Brother support, with the reliable, easy to learn and use XM2701 from Brother.
Third in our list is Singer 4432 sewing machine. This Singer heavy-duty 4432 sewing machine is a true workhorse. With a heavy-duty metal interior frame, stainless steel bedplate, extra high sewing speed, and powerful motor, it can sew through a variety of heavyweight fabrics. Convenient features include a built-in needle threader, top drop-in bobbin, built-in one-step buttonhole, snap-on presser feet, on-board storage, adjustable presser foot pressure control, built-in reverse, adjustable stitch length, 3 needle positions, and drop feed for button. With a 60% stronger motor than standard sewing machines, the Singer heavy-duty 4432 sewing machine allows the sewist to stitch through heavyweight fabrics with ease. It provides greater piercing power and speed up to 1,100 stitches per minute. The heavy-duty frame provides rigid support for added stability and long-lasting durability. Number 4 in our best portable sewing machine list is Singer 3232 sewing machine. The Singer Simple 3232 portable sewing machine is the perfect sewing machine for beginner sewists. With a built-in needle threader, quick and easy threading, and adjustable stitch length and width, getting set up to sew is fast and easy. Stitches are clearly displayed on the stitch selector dial. Just turn the dial to select your stitch. The Singer 3232 portable sewing machine features 32 built-in stitches, a built-in one-step buttonhole, built-in needle threader and a heavy-duty metal frame, making sewing creative projects fun and easy. Push the conveniently located automatic reverse button to sew in reverse and reinforce the stitching. Let's watch what accessories we get with this machine. Our last pick is Genome JW8100 sewing machine. The machine's cutting-edge technology ensure that projects are conquered with power, precision and confidence. Utilize the Genome JW8100 sewing machine's built-in needle threader, presser foot lift, auto declutch bobbin winder and 7mm stitch width. The backlit LCD screen with easy navigation buttons make choosing stitches a breeze. The easy convenience buttons are located right by the needle. You'll find a start and stop button for sewing without the foot control and a reverse button. There is also a locking stitch button and needle up/down button. The Genome JW8100 advanced sewing machine features basic technology that is perfect for the starting DIY sewist, but can handle a variety of tasks demanded from an experienced user.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!